Are you struggling to find your applications folder on your Mac? In this video, we'll show you 5 easy ways to locate your applications folder easily. Let's start with the most common method, using the Finder sidebar. Open the Finder window on your Mac. Now, simply select Applications from the sidebar. If you can't find it in the sidebar, don't worry, you can add it. Open Finder on your Mac. Select Preferences from the menu bar. Go to the Sidebar tab. Check the box next to Applications. Another way is through the Go menu. Click on Go. Then, select Applications. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut CMD+Shift+A. My personal favorite is using Spotlight. Press CMD+space to open Spotlight. Type Applications. Select Applications from the search results. The Applications folder is more than just a storage space. You can manage, delete, and even access package contents right from here. Lastly, let's make it even more accessible. Click on the Finder icon in the dock. Right-click on Applications and choose Add to Dock. And there you have it. 5 simple ways to find and access your applications folder on a Mac. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.